Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I will be giving you guys a tour of my spooky glam bar cart as well as the way I revamped or decorated my guest bathroom. If you guys would like to see how I created and decorated each area, please continue to watch. So here's a quick overview of my bar cart, and the bar cart actually came from Walmart for $34.99. Now above the bar cart here I have this faux spider web that came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the round mirror that's in the middle of it, and the boot is a pillow stick that I got from Hobby Lobby or Michael sometime last year. Next to it is my favorite canvas of my Chanel champagne bottle, and it came from Overstock, and this canvas here came from Amazon. Now below the canvases I have on the top row here are some bling, some fur, some flowers, some glass, and some mirror. Everything a girl would love at this moment. But the gorgeous ice bucket came from Home Goods, as well as the fur that's wrapped around the bottle there, and the bottle stopper is from Burlington. Inside of there are some Z Gallery flutes that I purchased sometime last year. Next here to that I have some white faux fur bouquet of flowers that I just sprinkled some spiders on top of it just to make it look all spooky. And down below I have this little skull globe, as well as the cute and gorgeous little shot glasses that all came from the Dollar Tree. Here is my DIY mirrored tray that I made from Dollar Tree items, as well as the spooky glasses that you see that are with the black on it. Those from the Dollar Tree, and the ones here in the middle came from the Christmas tree shop, and they are just like the Z Gallery and Pier 1 glasses, but I only paid $5.99 each for mine. So moving it down to the second row here, I have this little plaque that says give thanks and drink wine. I got that from Michael sometime last year. Behind it is a basket that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have it filled in with little spooky glam pumpkins. Now the black velvet pumpkins came from the Target Dollar Spot last year, as well as the gray one there with the gold stem. The spooky and the black and white striped one came from Dollar Tree, and I just have a big piece of glam in there, as well as some little small ones scattered around in the basket. So moving along here, I have these bling cup as well as the bling shaker behind it, and it came from Home Goods, and the cups have some scrolls in it that I purchased from wherever, I'm not sure. This faux fur that a bottle that wrap around the bottle came from Home Goods as well, and the bling bottle stopper came from Pier 1. Now my garland here is a DIY, Dollar Tree garland with skulls, skeletons hanging from it. I don't know what was I just thinking, but I love it. So let's move on down to the third row here. For the third row, we have these Happy Halloween and Eat tombstones that I purchased from Target Dollar Spot last year. And the Pick Your Poison books are actually some DIYs that I did last year, and the Chanel book is from a giveaway that I won sometime last year. Now for the last row here, I have this Press for Chanel DIY picture frame, as well as the bling pumpkins that came from Z Gallery in these bags for canning. Okay, so on the right side of my bar cart, I have this skull tower that I purchased from Ross. It was $4.99, I believe, and on each side of the bar cart I have these taller candle holders that I have for years now, with some tapered candles and some black crows standing on each side of them. So that's pretty much it. Let's move on to the bathroom. So here's a quick overview of my bathroom. All I did just switch out some of my decor for Halloween decor, but most of it is still the same, and just change some things around on the sink area and inside by the tub or whatever, or the shower. Pretty much that's it, but I will leave the video down below. So starting off with the bouquet here, I just place a black crow in there and some spiders that look like they're just climbing all over the bouquet, and then I have these little skeleton hands that's coming out of there like little pigs, and this little black little spider web looking thing. I'm not sure what you call it. And my Z Gallery vase is sitting on top of my DIY cake stand, and this pumpkin is from Walmart. Now moving on to the sink here, I just have some creeper crawlers coming out of the sink, well, to make them look like they're coming out of this sink. And behind it, I have my Home Goods soap pump as toothbrush and toothpaste holder, and this tombstone that say Nevermore from the Target dollar spot. Next to that is a DIY Starburst stand and taper candle, and my Z Gallery vase there. Now behind my toilet, I just still have that little bling on the wall. Then I just put some Halloween decor as well as fall decor. Now the skull, you know, came from Ross, and the Tia pumpkin towels came from TJ Maxx, I believe. And then I have another tombstone and these little sparkly skulls that came from the Dollar Tree. And that's pretty much that's over there. Now moving along, on the wall, the canvas still the same. All I did just switch out the candles and put the black LED lights candles from the Dollar Tree. Now next to the shower here, I have these little DIY tiebacks that I did, which I will go farther into pretty soon. But I do have this beware sign that came from the Dollar Tree, and I just roll up some towels and put some little spooky creepy crawlers on there. Then I have this bling pumpkin that I got from Ross that have a crow standing on top of it with some more of those little skeleton hands coming out, and the little pumpkins there came from Dollar Tree. Now for my little tiebacks on the curtains, here are some DIYs like I said before, and those just some bling garlands with some back look clips that I got from the Dollar Tree. So that is pretty much it for my spooky glam bar cart as well as my guest bathroom. If you queens and kings enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share with whoever, you never know, and subscribe to the castle because we all would love to have you. And with that being said, you queens and kings already know, always do what you're afraid to do, and that's in a positive way. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.